Introducing Axis Max Life Smart Term Plan Plus, a unique term plan that offers complete protection, because when it comes to family, enough is never enough. Your customers will ask you why they should choose this plan. You can tell them that this plan is smartly designed to cater to different life stages, whether you are starting a career, raising a family, or planning retirement. It can cater to different customer segments, from young professionals to young families and families with kids. And it can cater to different needs, be it loan protection, increasing cover for growing responsibilities, or legacy planning. Your customers can ask you what are the variants in the plan. You can tell them about Visa, an easy way to remember the 7 variants in the plan. W for whole life cover, an industry-first variant with 50% premium return at age 60 and remaining 50% at age 100. I for income protection cover, a variant which offers inflation-proof income where payout increases by 10% every 3 years. S for smart cover, an industry-first variant where customer gets 150% payout in early years if the life assured passes away. E for early ROP Plus, a variant with a market-unique feature where customers receive 50% of their premiums back early and the rest at the end of the term. R for regular cover, a variant which gives guaranteed death benefit payable to the nominee upon the policy holder's death. R for rebalancing cover, an industry-first variant which offers a unique balance between life cover and accidental death benefit. And R for return of premium, the 7th variant which offers guaranteed payouts either as a death benefit or premium return. When customers ask you about benefits in the plan, you can start by telling them about the fantastic inbuilt benefits such as special exit value benefit where customers can get up to 2 times of the exit value and Lifeline Plus benefit which gives premium rate guarantee to female life insured. Next, you can tell them about the optional benefits available in the plan such as maternity cover, WOP Plus rider, CIDR and ADD rider. When customers ask for discounts in the plan, tell them that discounts are available in the first year as well as throughout the premium payment term, and don't forget to tell them about the additional 15% discount for female life insured. With 7 smart variants, many industry-first offerings, fantastic benefits and great discounts, go ahead and sell the Smart Term Plan Plus with confidence.